hear you. This is so beautiful. About to go kayaking. Let's go.
Homage got the vibe.
Here you go. Should I hold this thing or should I?
Just put it down.
Oh.
Lay it down.
Good.
Keep your leg. Sit down. How is the leg? Keep your feet to the side. You're not on the brackets. Keep your feet on there. There you go. Put your hand on the other one too.
I can't. Oh, here's the other one. This is how you're supposed to be?
That's about right. Yeah, you can move them in a little bit like this. But you just see the right there. Go.
Oh,
Okay, hold on. Move that up. It keeps the water from rolling down the paddle and hitting you. Barry, you want to just show them a real quick paddling lesson? Here, even on both sides, like you're working out. Okay?
Oh.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay. That's it. You're a pro. You off. Oh, wait. Here's your water. Oh, wait. Coming back. You have your foot backwards. Paddle backwards. Wait. You can paddle backwards.
What are you looking
don't have
for?
to turn it. Where's your foot?
Sheesh. Big vibes. Big vibes. You know what I'm saying? Right next to the water. You dig?
This is actually kind of a river. And then when we get out to the where the water is,
Yep. What city are we in? Bolt.
we got off at the exit.
Oh, Thornton. Alright, time to paddle. We out of here. It is, it's beautiful. I'm gonna try to paddle away from those. I heard they're pretty vicious. I wish I could paddle with one hand, but it's a little bit of a task. Turn around. No. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop recording. Just coasting. We're on the Cosumnes River now. All right, more paddling. Trying to get this angle. Bro, this shit hard, bro. This ain't no dog, bro. All right. Let's go. Yup. Oh, a turtle. Uh-huh. Oh. Sheesh. Bananas. Raphael, Leonardo, Michelangelo. Fresh blackberries. The taste test. How does it taste?
Well, I just took the stem off.
No. Taste test. Fresh ones. They're good. Yeah. Darker the berry, the sweeter the juice, right? Honestly, I feel like if they were darker. Ooh. Taste test number 2. Oh yeah.
See the difference? Yeah, when you pick them, you make sure there's no red.
Way better than the stores.
Oh, besides that, you pick it fresh.
Yup. It's view. For real. What does she use for the dough? Does she home make the dough too?
No, we just buy the pie,
Yeah. It's a baby dragonfly. Oh, the blackberry? Oh, we gotta go to the winery? Off to the winery. Is that the next stop? Oops. I'm gonna be honest, I'm starting to get a little hungry. What about you? Woo!
I didn't want to go overseas, but even overseas is my part.
Yeah.
But all recently, I got some cash from the ATM
Yeah.
because of
should
all
taste that
the
first.
good places in the Mexican
Oh,
restaurants.
yeah,
they
they
only take cash.
I like it.
but that's cool.
That's
like
the
it a
one I
lot.
like the most
Then you know
usually.
it's a good place.
But
La
If
Costa.
they say La Costa,
okay,
yeah.
I'll let you try that one
They
because
say
I don't know if
cash
you're
only,
gonna.
you know it's
You're not
good
like a
for
big
you.
wine drinker. So
You know,
might
in La
not
Costa,
like-
when I get
Not yet anyway,
lingua,
right?
they don't charge
You know
me
what's
extra.
kind of cool is when
Oh,
you're
really?
tasting
Yeah,
different
the other
ones, you
place
get
charge
an
like
idea of what
$3
you
extra.
like.
Really?
Mhm.
Yeah, so it's like burrito for like
you don't
11
realize
bucks.
that they taste so
no,
different.
14 bucks.
Yeah.
Until you
So La
drink it.
Costa is still 10 bucks.
Oh, did you try the Chenin Blanc?
He did. He liked it.
Maybe like a vlogger or something.
He's tasting here.
Holds in 2 glasses and one does not
That's
look
me.
good.
That's a good
That's why I don't
picture. Give
drink
me your
anymore.
phone. Give me your phone. I'll take a
No,
picture of
he's-
you. Are you
yeah,
videoing it?
Yeah.
Pull around so they can see.
Oh, like
Wow.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then like, wait, hold
So
on.
you're on right now.
Nice.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Pinky up.
Having a picnic in the winery.
What do you think?
I think this is good. I just don't know which one I like better. I'm kind of leaning more towards this one,
Oh.
but
okay.
I don't know. It's hard to say.
Yeah. That's our go-to. It's like only $7 a bottle.
What's this one? And then
Chenin Blanc. It's a Chenin Blanc, and this is a Chardonnay.
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay is
French.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate you for watching it all the way through. If you made it this far, just a friendly reminder, make sure to surround yourself with the best individuals possible. Birds of a feather flock together. Your circle is important. You need to make sure that people are lifting you up, because if they're not, they'll be bringing you down. I'm out. Peace.